The world is moving more towards automation, with increasing labor costs and an increased need for scaling up production to meet customer needs. This brings us to Mythronics, a startup company developing automated quality control systems, based on artificial intelligence and computer vision, founded by Sohail Janshahi. Based on these new technologies, Mythronics is creating a product which replaces the manual labor needed to inspect fruit and vegetables, performing the task more efficiently and with clear accounting. In March of 2018, Mythronics was founded. Let's look at the growth stages of the company and what junctures they faced. During opportunity framing, a lot of effort went into finding a suitable market. During this stage, they were contacted by a large potential customers from the infrastructure industry, and Mythronics chose to focus on that market. They started working on building a minimal viable product that could be suitable for bridge inspection. Entrepreneurial commitment was not an obstacle, as the founders had a lot of motivation and belief in their technology. Mythronics also spent time looking for validation within the infrastructure industry. Unfortunately, it turned out that the potential market size was smaller and the speed of adoption was slower than expected. The big potential customer also backed out. This led to Mythronics pivoting to the horticulture market. Following this pivot, they attracted a lot of interest and they launched a pilot project together with a customer, which was a success. They are now at the pre-organization stage, and the next steps would be developing the product and attracting new customers, employees, and expanding to potential partners. This chart shows the diffusion of automated inspection using computer vision. In the 1960s, MIT started the Computer Vision Project, which was the initial research into computer vision. They expected that it would take only one summer to do the research. In 1976, the first commercial applications of automated vision started, which was simple pattern matching. In 1999, a new breakthrough happened with feature-based detection. Computer vision systems were now able to inspect postcards and read whatever was written on them. Finally, in 2012, large diffusion really started, as computer vision became more general and became able to detect any kind of objects. Also, complementary products were developed, such as graphics cards and machine learning frameworks. Finally, in 2018, Mythronics was founded, and the diffusion continues to this day. The opportunity analysis canvas is divided into three main sections, which are thinking entrepreneurially, seeing entrepreneurially, and acting entrepreneurially. To become a successful startup company, all these three attributes have to be fulfilled. The founder of Mythronics has an entrepreneurial mindset. He says, even if you're playing against the odds, believe in the best outcome. Keep making small progress at every stage and keep your momentum going. Seeing entrepreneurially means understanding the industry condition and status. Mythronics listened to customers asking for a solution for automated quality assessment in the fruit and vegetable market. The competition in the agricultural market is fairly low and there is good potential to grow. Finally, to be a successful startup, you need to create value for your customers. So let's look at the value proposition canvas. Mythronics' most valuable product will be a fruit inspection and sorting box that can be placed on a production line. The box will be able to significantly reduce costs for fruit processors by reducing labor costs, improving the accuracy of the fruit inspection, therefore reducing food waste. Profits are increased by an increased factory throughput and real-time quality statistics. Specific fruits can be tracked and sent to an appropriate customer based on their ripeness. The long-term goal of the company is to monitor any agricultural product at multiple stages of the process, from growth and harvest until the final sale to the customer. Let's look at the size of the market. The total addressable market is the worldwide food supply chain market. The serviceable addressable market is that part which can be reached by Mythronics geographically, which would be the food supply chain in the Netherlands. We expect that Mythronics can achieve a 10% share of market based on the competition. The possible end users in the food supply chain industry are farmers, logistics companies and supermarkets. They need to assess and predict the quality and freshness of their products and therefore need to decide if they keep on relying on manual labor or invest in an automatic system. The end users' pains are that they are dependent on manual workers, potentially deliver rotten food, waste good food and have no traceability of the inspection process. With Mythronics' product, they could gain consistency, reliability, productivity and traceability. Looking at the business model canvas, The product of Mythronics proposes a value for the customer by reducing its cost. By reducing labor costs, improving the accuracy of the fruit inspection, and therefore reducing food waste. Profits are increased by an increased factory throughput and real-time quality statistics. The customer relationship is a key factor. Mythronics tries to build a personal relationship and create a product that fits the customer's needs. The product can be installed by Mythronics engineers in person. Now let's look at the costs. The sorting machine and related computers cost money to produce. But there are also costs related to the other key activities of Mythronics, like algorithm development, mechanical design, and installation and support. Mythronics' key resource are the algorithms and IP that they have, and related patents. For the revenue stream, Mythronics is currently reviewing a direct sale model or a subscription license. Also, the customer can pay add-ons in terms of different models for different kinds of fruits. The current key partners for Mythronics are Yes Delft and a first customer which has agreed to integrate a working prototype into its production line. To sum it all up, we think Mythronics has a lot of potential. Through targeting real problems and creating real value, they can reach far.